there they lay, my own true lover. She's gone from me forevermore. She was fairer than the sweetest flower, restless as the wildest wind, born with the love deep as the ocean. That was the girl that I did win. I left her there back in the mountain to see the world, riches to gain. Oh, when I return, no earthly treasure could ease this heart so full of pain. Way up high, up on the mountain, beneath that little mound of clay, oh, the girl that I returned to marry, so still among the flowers she lay. I'll go away and I will wander. I'll lay aside my earthly gains. Oh, and I'll not end, be the man with the riches, undone in sorrow. I'll remain undone in sorrow.